Again, there's no English word. It's not bespoke, it's not bewitched, it's not a text, it's not charmed, it's kenachong. So there's no word. So that's the fascinating thing about writing in about the Baba Nyonya.
How difficult is it to write this book? Well, when I finished this book, I thought I completed the book, and I formatted the whole thing on my computer, and then I looked at the last page number. It's page 97. I call it the goddamn page 97. I had done all I could, and I only got 97 pages. So I went to my uncle and said, "No, writing is not for me, as you can see." He said, "No, don't give up. If you finish it, I'll get it published for you." So I thought, okay. And he gave me a few ideas, and I went back and I completed the book. So this is the book that I hold in my hand. This is the first book.
So if family stories I heard from my grandparents and parents are not told, they will be lost forever, as oral history was never recorded.